I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. Mm, oh, 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 ooh. Do you hear me?
Hi, Lovey. Ganda, with feelings. I hope you're doing fine and feeling great while reading these letters. Sa mga oras na to, relax. Ako lang to. Ako din yung maghihintay sa'yo later sa altar. We connected so much as if we both have the same story to tell. Then one day, you suddenly considered me as one of your best friends. I love you to infinity and beyond. Let's enjoy this and I love you, Labi Chichi Akbe.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home.
I promise to continue being your best friend. Your private singer, your motivator, your travel buddy, your blanket, your masakista, your cargador, your habit all. You and I shared similar life story on our very first one-on-one kwentuhan na nakapagbigay sa atin ng instant connection or closeness to the point na inalok mo ako maging best friend.
You've been my best friend, the bestest ever I'd ever had. You've been my motivator, playmate, confidant, and greatest challenge. But you are the love of my life, and you make me feel happier than I could ever imagine.
A bigger picture that we didn't see, bringing me to you and you to me, putting together every little piece before our eyes.
I'll do my best to always make you feel unlonely and not to make you cry and be the best entertainer you always have. Kahit na nature mo na ang pagiging iyakin.
Heart was all set, even when I didn't know it, even when I didn't know. I was always looking for you. Since I heard the word love, I have always been in search of one to hold on to. I was always looking for you.
Bulat, 1, 2, 3.
I was always looking for you.
It's been a long drive. It's not always simple, but we've endured it all. This is what our love looks like. We're like pancakes and butter. Sounds cheesy. I'm just better with you.
Ngayon lang nagsingkit sa akin, ikakasal ako.
Hindi ako kinabahan. Ang ganda niya dyan.
Ngayon lang nagsingkin sa akin na ikakasal na talaga ako sa kanya habang binabasa ko to.
One look at you.
I've seen how you cherish your family and makes me think that you are really one that I'm looking for and waiting for. And I want to receive unconditional love from you.
Lovey, the wifey ko na today. Hello, you beautiful thing. This is it. I'll do my best to seal this vow like how I promised my mother nung bata pa ako. High school days, I think. I promised my mother before na, Ma, hindi ako mag-girlfriend hanggat hindi pa ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral.
I prayed for a man whose love for his family is unwavering, who will understand me most about my conceptions about family. Then I met you.
I get to love you.
May mga pagkakataon man nagtanong tayo, may mga pagkakataon mang may pinagdaanan tayo sa buhay. Ngayon, nandirito tayo ngayon, February 21, no, 2 p.m. At ikakasal kayong dalawa. lumilisa na sa ating isipan, naglalako na sa atin yung mga katanungan na yan. Kasi ito na yung mismong sagot kung bakit tinayaan ng Diyos na pagdaanan ko yung maraming mga napagdaanan ko sa buhay. Sapagkat inihahanda niya pala ako para sa araw na ito.
I get to love you. I get to
I wrote this vow, feeling like I'm rehearsing for this moment all my life. So don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word that I say on this day. I'm yours, officially, Mrs. Canape. I love you.
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart.
At totoo at magandang pagmamahal ay alam niya na hindi niya magagawa ang lahat pag-isa. Doon nakaangkla yung tinatawag nating faithfulness at commitment. Na magagawa natin ito kung lagi tayong magtutulungan.
My love, Nico, today, in front of God, I give myself to you and pledge my undying love. I promise to God that I will encourage you to be as compassionate as you are ever since we first met and as you really are right now.
Today I wear my white, the kind that's once a
For the woman I love, I promise to love you and eat anything you cook. I'm lucky masarap ka magluto. I promise to be quiet when needed, especially pag barino at may toyong nakahain.
only hellos, no more goodbyes. Open up the curtains, cause I'm walking down the aisle. I might be running cause I'm so
You knew everything about me, my flaws, my imperfections. You still never complains, and yet you still love me and made me feel that I'm not alone and you're always there for me no matter what.
can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do.
Sherilyn, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Nico na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Pat.
Nico, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Sherilyn na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Pat.
Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do.